Hello, on this week's episode of Zino Nation, we're going to talk about the release of the new camera version firmware 3.4, which just became available on Saturday, January 26th. And in this video, I will, compare some of the photo stills and the videos that I've taken with the older camera version prior to 3.3. I don't know what that number was, but this is all prior to version 3.3 and version 3.2, the beta. This is all the older camera software. So let's get this show on the road. Okay, what I have discovered is camera update version 3.4 is mostly to improve the quality of the photo still images, which looked very soft in the earlier firmware. They looked like screen grabs of the video, and not even good ones at that. So in the first two images here are images I took prior to the 3.3 or actually prior to the 3.4 update, and you can see these images are very soft and just no detail at all. And then the next set of photos are from the new version 3.4. Okay, let's take a look at those. Okay, these images are with camera version 3.4. You can see these images are much improved in detail and resolution from the prior versions of the camera software. The first photo was in the standard color setting. The second one was in the bright settings. The third one is in the black and white color settings, and the final one is in the nostalgia settings. Okay, the first image here is taken with the older camera firmware. You can see the fuzziness around the tree branches and the leaves. And the second two photos here are with the new updated 3.4. Again, much more detail in the image. The lighting wasn't good this day. It's nothing I can do about that. And here comes another soft image from the prior camera version. And then we're going to get two images here with the 3.4 version. Again, much improved detail, resolution, just a much better image overall quality. And now that's it for the photo portion. Okay, now to a little bit of a video test of the version 3.4 camera software. This is all shot in just standard mode, everything just on automatic, and the video looks, pretty much like it did in 3.3. But what I discovered, and somebody mentioned this in another Zino video, and I can't remember who to give the credit to, but once you start adjusting the settings through, various things like exposure and color and iOS, it seems like the it unsharpens the video. Like, look how messed up the ground and the grass is here. It's all like fuzzy and soft, and I don't remember exactly what I did with my settings here. I think I upped the exposure a little bit because it was a dark day, but it has definitely ruined the the video here. As far as it said, it just messed up the ground. It's fuzzy, whatever. But it's funny, the other objects look kind of like they did in the previous auto settings, but for some reason, just again, a few slight adjustments of the auto settings has led to basically a ruined image here. I don't know, why this would happen, but my advice for anybody would be just to shoot on your auto settings and video. This is for both these videos are shot 4K 30, but don't make any adjustments to the settings. Don't do any manual settings right now, or you will somehow get some kind of artifact or some kind of deterioration of your video. So be warned about this. Okay, that ends it for the video portion of this test. So in conclusion, I'm going to say that camera firmware update 3.4 was mostly an improvement for the still images, which had been basically unusable before, and now they're they're passable. I'll let you make your own judgment on what you think of the photos. Beyond the fact that they're better than the older camera firmware's photo quality, and the image quality looks to be about the same or unchanged. It's just that the thing to remember is you want to keep all your settings on auto, or you will somehow get some sort of artifact or degradation of the video quality. So I want to thank Hubsan. I've been bugging them to improve the still image quality, and they stepped up their game, and they came out with a nice update. So now we can both get acceptable video and photo quality out of our Zinos. So I mean, there's still some work to be done there. I mean, with the specs of the camera, it should be able to produce even better video and images. But again, Hubsan's credit, they've come a long way in making the improvements that the users have requested, and the things that are going to be needed to make the Zino success going forward. So again, kudos to Shally and the team over at Hubsan for doing a great job with customer assistance and listening to the customer's needs. So again, I will be back with further tests of the camera and overall testing of the Zino. I flew in kind of some high wind this day, and it had a little bit of trouble up there, some gusting winds, so they still have a little work to do with the flight controller, but I think they'll get there, and this will be a very highly recommended product in the near future. So thanks again, everybody. Give all the feedback of what you thought of the testing here down below, and I will try to get back to you. And Hubsan Official probably take a look at this video too, so they will respond to comments and stuff directed more at them. So again, thanks for joining. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Hubsan Zino videos coming soon. All right, goodbye.